Hello guys, and today I'm going to be showing you how to basically convert a video file that you have on your iPad to an audio file using iOS shortcuts or iPadOS shortcuts. It's still the same thing, so without further ado, let's get into the video. So first thing, you just want to press plus for a new shortcut, and you can name it pressing these three dots. I'll just call this audio file convert. And then you can add it to home screen. You can use all this other details you can do. And so it says I already have a name that's called audio file convert, so I have to name it something different. So anyways, now what you want to do is first go to media and then go to photos and then select photos. And then you can show more, and then you can select if you want live photos, videos, or just images. I'm only going to allow videos, and you won't be able to select multiple unless you want to do that. But next, what you want to do is go to documents, and actually, no, not documents, sharing. Wait, where is it? So it's not sharing, it is media, I think, again. And then you want to go and find encode media. And so do audio only. It's not letting me check that. So encode photos, audio only, and you can change it from M4A or .AIFF, but I'm just going to say M4A. And then audio only will let you do that. You can change the speed if you want. On AIFF you can't though. But yeah. And so you run this. It lets you select photos, videos, encodes them, and then listen to it, and then press the share button and you can save it to files. So that's all for this video today. So thank you guys for watching. I hope this found you helped you or anything, or audio files. And without further ado, let's end the video.